Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a cart abandonment sequence. So what this does is when someone is entering their card information in your order page, but for some reason they do not move on with the purchase, then System.io will trigger an automation and they will be added into a campaign where they will receive an email asking them what happened, why they didn't move forward with the purchase. This happens way too many times than we do like to admit. When I am filling out my information in an order page and then all of a sudden I don't move forward because I had a change of mind or something came up, and then I will receive an email asking me, hey, what happened? Why didn't you move forward with the purchase? I saw you added your credit card details, but you did not press the button. What's wrong? And I always wondered, how are people doing this? Like, how do they know if I added my information or not? Right? So now I know how to do it, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up your abandonment sequence. All right, so let's say this is my funnel and this is my two-step order form. You need to have a two-step order form. So first of all, people are going to add their information here, and then when they click on the step number 2, this is where they are going to add their credit card details, or if you have PayPal option, that's where they're going to go ahead and select it and then click here for the purchase to go through. So you're going to go back to your automation rules, click here and set up a rule. So we're going to go ahead and add a rule, trigger funnel step from subscribed, and then action, you are going to add a tag. So let's call it ebook leads. Ahead and click save. And now you are going to go ahead and add one more rule. This one is for the purchase, so new sale, and then the action will be add tag, and then over here you are going to add the purchase tag, so ebook purchase or ebook buyers. Okay, and then go ahead and click save again. So we have already added tags, so people who actually entered their information, they will be added a tag called ebook leads, and then people who actually purchase, they will be added a tag ebook buyers. Now the next step will be to create an abandonment email campaign. So we're going to go to emails, go to campaigns, create a campaign, and in this campaign you are going to add an email which will be triggered when they do not complete the purchase. So you can call it abandonment campaign, and then go ahead and add an email inside the template. Have an email template for you in the comments below. Make sure you go ahead and check it out. Once you have created a campaign and set up an email, you're going to go ahead and go to the workflows, and you're going to create a workflow abandonment sequence. Click on save. So your first trigger here will be your ebook leads. So choose a trigger, tag added, ebook leads, and then you are going to wait for a few minutes. Click here, delay, and let's say we're going to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then click on create. The reason you want to do that is because some people may come back and complete the purchase, right? Maybe they were filling out the information, but maybe they received a call or somebody distracted them, but they come back and they complete the purchase. So you want to wait at least 10-15 minutes. You're going to go ahead and select the decision. So tag contact tagged with ebook buyers. and then go ahead and click create. So now, this workflow is going to check after 10 minutes, does this person have a tag ebook buyers or not? If yes, if they have already purchased the ebook, then you can choose not to send anything here because they're already buyers. What you can do is you can actually click on action and remove tag ebook leads because they are not leads anymore. They have already become buyers. So you can now remove this tag from them. But if they are still not buyers, if they have not purchased the ebook yet, then you're going to add them to the abandonment campaign you have created. So click on campaign here, subscribe to campaign, and then select the abandonment sequence you have created. So that's how the abandonment sequence workflow automation looks like. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know. Make sure that you then activate your sequence and test out the entire flow to see if it's working well or not.